Hello and welcome back to yet another video of my channel. Now I've been making beauty and makeup related videos since quite some time and I've made many of them now. So I tried to shift a little to tech videos. So recently I actually got new headphones from Flipkart. So I just thought to shoot its unboxing while opening the package, and I have used it since a month or two now. So I'm making this video of unboxing plus review of those headphones. So let's get started. So now coming on to the review part, I have the headphones here with me, and also I have the major points written here. Like I've jotted the major points down and I'll be going through them one by one. So first of all, coming on to the sound quality, that is like the major thing. So for this price range, the sound quality is good. Like the beats and bass and all of those are good enough. The sound is also high, like comfortably high. You won't feel uncomfortable even if you hear it for a long time. Like it doesn't feel like noise. So the sound quality is good for this price. When coming on to that noise cancellation part, this headphone is not does not really cancel noise as much. Like unless you really put the volume high enough, you can still hear the noises from the outside. Like if someone is speaking or there's some TV on around you, you can hear it. So noise cancellation is not pretty much there in these headphones. And another thing is that whatever is playing on your headphones, if you are playing on a high volume, a person sitting next to you or around you, close to you, can actually hear what is actually playing in your headphones. That is another thing that can be taken into the con part, but for this price it's okay. Now coming on to the design and all of those, the AirPads are actually, these puffs are not thick enough. Like these are too thin. That can actually be the reason for the noise not getting cancelled. So that is a thing, that AirPads should have been a little more thick or something. Then otherwise, coming on to the design, it is really lightweight. That's actually the most important thing. That's why this is really good for regular use. If you come on to the headband, you don't have any cushion for this or any grip that actually fits and grips your head. But still, since it is lightweight, so that gets carried away, that doesn't create a problem. So although it is completely plastic, it has no metal, only there is metal finish over here. Around this place there's this classy metal finish, otherwise it's all plastic. Then coming on to the plug design is really good. Actually before that, most important is this foldable design. Like you can fold it into this area only. So in terms of portability, this is so awesome. So you can fit it anywhere in your bag or anything and it doesn't create a mess or a problem. So when you wanna use it, you can just open it this way, and if you wanna store it, then you can fold it this way and keep it in your bag or whatever. so that is a good thing. Then coming on to the plug design is really good. This plug is L-shaped, actually this is angular. So what happens with the plugs that are straight, it tends to actually bend always. The wire might just get damaged due to that. So this L shape eliminates that problem. The jack is 3.5 mm, I guess. So that is just the standard size of the jack, the plug. So that is the thing. Now coming on to the bar quality, that is really awesome and superb. Actually, from here you have one cable coming out of one headband, and then it gets joined over here, and then we have two layered strand of cable coming down here, and this is actually really thick and good quality. So bar quality and cable quality is really superb. Coming on to mic, this one is actually with the mic one. Other headphones you get it at the joint point, but here they've given it in midway, like around your mouth, so it records voice nicely. Now the look is nice, it looks classy, and I actually have the blue variant, and there is also a red variant available, and I think black also. The finish of the headband is really nice. It doesn't look how affordable it actually is. So yeah, the look is really good, and the build structure is also awesome. Coming on to the overall thing, this is good for regular use, although not rough use, and it is completely value for money. And if you want the nice things, you should go forward to buy these. Yeah, this is really good in this price range. Yeah. So this was a small short unboxing plus review video. Do let me know in the comment section if you would like me to make more of these tech and gadgets toner video. So yeah, do let me know, and of course subscribe to my channel, and yeah, like my video if you enjoyed watching it. Yeah, do like, and yeah, if possible share it with everyone possible. Share it in your WhatsApp group, in your Instagram, and whatever. And do tag me if you mention me anywhere on Instagram or anything. Do tag me, and I will surely repost or put it in my story. So yeah, that is the thing. Share my video, and yeah, up till the next time, bye bye, take care, and stay safe.